Hello everybody, and welcome back to 5 Minute Crypto, the channel where we cover the most important crypto news in just 5 minutes, back again with another breaking news crypto updates without ads. Having said that, BNB just broke quite a lot of records, going ×3 in just 1 week. I believe BNB went to about $150 per coin, which left a lot of people wondering what exactly happened, why did it pump, and how high can it go? Well, in my opinion, there's not really a direct cap to where the price of BNB can go, as the price, in my opinion, is really determined by how popular the Binance exchange is. Right now, Binance is by far the most popular, and of course, since Bitcoin and the whole crypto market is appealing to a lot of retail consumers, even institutions for that matter, there's a huge interest in trading and exchanges, and specifically Binance, and thus a lot more people are also buying than BNB, as you can use that token to actually decrease the fees on the platform. On a different side, there's also a very high increase in use of the Binance Smart Chain, and I definitely think that's also allowed a lot more people to actually pick up BNB as you're associating yourself with the Binance Smart Chain in that way. Then Twitter Dorsey and Jayz starting Bitcoin Trust to promote Bitcoin development in India and Africa. So India and Africa, we have both seen some very hefty restrictions on crypto from, but apparently Jayz and I, which is the Twitter man, are given 500 Bitcoin to a new endowment named B-Trust to fund Bitcoin development, initially focused on teams in Africa and India. It'll be set up as a blind, irrevocable trust, taking zero direction from us. We need 3 board members to start, Mr. Dorsey said in a tweet in which he posted a job application for the trust's board. And of course, there's always some bigger thought behind this in a different sense. It could really be out of the goodness of their hearts too, as they've already made their money. We're talking about 2, theoretically speaking, billionaires then. So they've already made their money and given away 500 Bitcoin. Let's see exactly what the price of that is right as we speak. 500 Bitcoin right now is $24 million. It is a lot of money, don't get me wrong. But again, think about the goodwill that they built for themselves, and think about what influence this money, which is to some a little bit, some a lot of money, can have, what type of influence it can have in those countries, especially if you're promoting the crypto development, which they have a lot of money in most likely. So that could also be a direct increase. By spending 12 million, they may make 25 million in the end in increase. You guys get me. Dogecoin's creator sold all his coins 6 years ago after getting laid off, and says he is stunned by the mania around the meme-based token. Now, fun story, the creator of Dogecoin, Billy Marcus, actually does not own any Doge. I saw a lot of people say over on Twitter that you would be so happy to create the Dogecoin, you'd be so rich, yada yada yada, but he's actually not rich. He sold his Doge in 2015 to buy himself a Honda Civic, and the only Doge he has been gifted to him recently, he said, which most likely is not that much. In a different sense, some people could have also really donated, for example, $1 million, as, well, if you're making $50 million off a Doge, which some people have definitely made, and you're sending the creator of the coin $1 million because, well, he kind of made you 50 for the memes. Yeah, it could definitely happen. It's not the craziest thing. It's like tipping a little bit. Let's say you're tipping, for example, 5% of your total increase because he made the coin and he doesn't have any. I don't think that's the strangest thing in the world. So he might have actually gotten quite a lot of money from donations. But it's interesting to me how he bought from his coins a freaking Honda Civic, a used one, and right now if he just held through, yeah, he would have been a pretty wealthy man. But that's again how crypto sometimes goes, right? You can never really predict what exactly is going to happen. Then VeChain is becoming the AWS of public blockchains by report. This type of stuff I actually want to cover on DustDBC. So on that channel is where I cover this type of stuff, which really goes in depth into VeChain, or in a different sense also into Cardano, talking for example about how it can go to $1 and stuff like that. But let me know in the comment section down below what type of updates you'd like to see on this channel. Should I also do some specific coins, and then maybe sometimes do really one episode every single day, or what would you guys look out for? Because right now what I'm doing is just look up the most important articles in news right now and the most important things that people are wondering and kind of summarizing them into just 5 minutes. But yeah, I'm open to suggestions. So if you have any, let me know down below, and I'll see you guys again in another one.